Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today I am going to show you an experiment on density. I have taken oil, grapes, food color, a bottle cap, foam, a nut, a spoon, a container, a honey and some water. So first I am going to pour the water. Now I am going to put the food color. I have taken green color, but you can use any color. Now I am going to put in the honey. You can see that the honey has gone down at the bottom of the water. Now I am going to put in the oil. I have put in all the liquids. Now I am going to put in the objects. First I am going to put a nut. The nut has sank to the bottom. Now I am going to put in a grape. The grape is floating over the honey. Now I am going to put in a bottle cap. The bottle cap is floating over the oil. Now I am going to put in the piece of foam. The foam is floating over the oil. So the science behind this experiment is each liquid is denser than another, and honey is the most densest in here. The objects are also dense than each other, like the nut is more dense than the grape and the grape is more dense than the bottle cap. So that's it for today. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.